Welcome to day 15 of my Inventor IO 30 Days Lost in Space adventure. So today is another creative day, and after watching the video and scouring around on the website and even through YouTube videos, I'm kind of drawing a complete blank as to how to be creative with this. I have played around with it a little bit. I tried to do the recommended process of trying to get the password to take in all 4 characters before processing the data, and I can't quite get that to work. It is a little disheartening, to say the least. I wish they would have put the solution on the website somewhere. That would have been great. It would have been very helpful to know how to fix it to take in all 4 characters instead of crapping out on the bad character input. I did try a couple of different ways and I still can't get it to do what it's intended to do. I'm not doing this video as a cop-out. I'm just not able to continue forward with the practice without somebody holding my hand still. So that being said, I'm going to move on to the next day. I took the quiz that was part of day 15 and I got 100% on that score. So that I'm happy about, but as far as being creative with what I've got going on here, I just can't figure out anything other than rewriting the tones and delays for the buzzer to output little songs or jingles or what have you. So that all being said, this is the end of my day 15 video. Unfortunately, it's not as prolific as I had expected it to be or as I had hoped it to be, but hopefully day 16 will help turn that back around.